Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my homemade dumpling dough. So for this video you're going to be needing 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and I have 1 teaspoon of salt, and I have 1 cup of water. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use for this video. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay, so you are going to start by adding your salt to your water. I like to add half a teaspoon at a time, just so it doesn't get super salty. You don't want your water to be salty at all. So I like to start with half a teaspoon, and you are going to taste that water. And actually half a teaspoon is pretty good. Again, you want to taste your water just to make sure the salt is enough. And you're going to take your dough, put it in a bowl. I love using this bowl even though my husband burnt it, set it by the stove, and it kind of melts a little bit, but I still love using it. And with the water, you want to add half a cup at a time. To do this, guys, you are going to definitely make sure you have clean hands. You want to clean your hands, clean your undernails. Everything have to be clean because we are using our hands to do most of the work. This was a really highly requested video. You guys been requesting this from when I started my channel. When I made my bouillon video, you guys had requested this. So since you guys continue requesting it, I decided I'd make it for you guys. And I use dumplings on a lot of things on my bouillon. And you guys know I make the stew peas, which I will leave the link for those videos down in the description box. I can't talk today. Hopefully all the fathers had a good Father's Day. I know my husband did. We spent most of the day on the road, but it was nice. And you just gonna knead your dough. Nothing too crazy. I make some nafla soup, which I will do a video for you guys one day using this dough. You can do so much with this. You can use this dough to make the Haitian patties that I make. Of course, if it's sticky, you want to go ahead and sprinkle some flour, which I already put my flour away. But you want to grab a little bit of flour and just keep kneading the dough. And I didn't even use all my water. I basically use half a cup. So if you were using 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of water would be perfect. Just like so. As you can see, my dough is not really that sticky anymore. Just pick up the leftover flour. Get rid of some of this stuff. I won't use the water anymore. And to make your dumpling, we call this boy in Haiti. You can make any shape you want. You just want to roll it, take a piece, roll it, and you can put this in your bouillon, or you can just put it in there just like this, flat. Or if you're making soup, you can use a knife and just cut little pieces and put them in your soup, like chicken noodle soup or something like that. This is the basic dough you would use for chicken noodle soup. So you don't have to buy these things at the grocery store. I know they haven't, but they are easy to make. If you haven't, please go like my Facebook page, follow me on Twitter, and follow me on Instagram, and come snap with me on Snapchat. I will leave the link for all those in the description box. But this is pretty much it. This is my easy, simple recipe of making homemade dough for chicken noodle soup or whatever kind of soup that you wish. I will leave some videos down below, like I said, so you guys can use them in some of my recipe that I use them in. And this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. And I love you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.